Good luck.
Bro, we even had a 1,500x. Cash out. We had a multiple 100x's on a coin flip, so we got a 4-time credit time chance out down there. So, we had a good pachinkos. I don't know what you're talking there, brother. I know better. Nice, Andy. Exactly. It just happens, you know. Sometimes it is good, sometimes it is what it is. Yo, talking about 4 times crazy time, guys. Let's go, everybody. Let's have some fun over here. Let's surf on a board. Woo! Let's go. Let's do the thing, guys. Let's do the thing. Everything gets multiplied by 4 times on the wheel of trade time. You got one job to do, guys. Choose your flappers. Green, blue, and the yellow. Green, blue, yellow. Choose your flappers, boys and girls. Blue gets picked more. Yellow on the second place. And green on the third. 400x max multiplier. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Good luck. Let's get some doubles. We got a 400x for the green. 6
Chances, new spin. There we go. Ellie, by the way, thank you so much for the great job. I know it's not easy when we are having sessions like that. I know. Good luck. 20x on Pachinko. Well, ladies and gentlemen, yep, that's Pachinko with a 20x. Let's go. Let's go. All right, dear players. Here we are. Puck is shining bright. The ball is right here, so let's see those multis, shall we? What do we have here? 3x, give us some high ones. Come on. We got that 5, 7, 10, 15, 20 is the max. 20 times more, though. So the max multiplier right now, 400x. All of them are looking amazing. Let's go upstairs. All right, dear players. Good luck, everybody. Let's drop it. We really can't complain, right? The puck rounds, and we just got 300.
For the next 40 minutes. Yeah, more sessions with me, guys. Say hooray. Ciao. Take care, sweetie. So, guys, I wish you the best of luck in the first spin with me in this session. 7x and crazy time from the top slot offer. A nice hot drop. Let's see if we can catch that. Hey, see ya. Are you back, sweetie? How's everything? Is the wheel behaving itself? Did you have a lot of bonus rounds there? Ooh, ladies and gents. Almost. Just stay. Yes! Guys, we start with a 7x on crazy time. A first spin. Woohoo! Yes! Let's go. Woo! I'm coming, penguins! Ladies and gentlemen, guess what? We did it! Not just a regular, basic, boring, crazy time, but 7 times multiplied. Add me 7 more pies to this bakery, love. Come on, let's do it. Look at the magic. Woo, so beautiful. And after this moment, ladies and gents, You will have 15 seconds to pick one of the flappers, green, blue, or yellow. Also, you can use the add to pick feature if for some reason you don't want to do yourself. This way or another, best of luck. Come on, let's get some doubles and some flappers, maybe. Let's see. Woo! Wow!
Video finished. The clock in the video is a Troll Time UTCHS clock. How to compare the hours in this video. Open an internet search for world clocks and compare the hours on the video with the clocks in your country. Thank you.